Namaskara, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to IISF 2024, a celebration of India's extraordinary legacy. Conceptualized by the Ministry of Science and Technology and Vijnana Bharati, coordinated by CSIR and hosted at IIT Guwahati. Tonight, we honor 1,000 years of brilliance, courage, and unwavering innovation that has shaped our past and will define our future. Let's ignite the spirit of progress and celebrate the brilliance that continues to light our path. We honor our ancestors' wisdom and look forward to India's future as a beacon of progress and creativity. Let's celebrate this journey where tradition and innovation shape a brighter tomorrow. Thousands of years ago, where much of the world was grappling with basic arithmetic, Bharat birthed legends. Baudhayana calculated pi and laid the foundation for geometry, while Aryabhatta proved the earth rotates and unlocked the secrets of eclipses. Brahmagupta gave us zero, revolutionizing mathematics and technology. Sushruta pioneered life-saving surgeries, and Nagarjuna's breakthroughs in chemistry gave us the rust-free iron pillar, still standing today. Patanjali's yoga, a holistic philosophy of mind, body and spirit, is practiced worldwide. India's brilliance ignited the future of science, revolutionized medicine, and redefined philosophy. From the ancient wisdom of our ancestors to the cutting-edge innovations of today, India's legacy is a powerful force that continues to shape the world. Fast forward to modern India, and that brilliance shines brighter than ever. Srinivasa Ramanujan's mathematical theorems continue to inspire, while Satyendra Nath Bose revolutionized quantum physics, earning collaboration with Einstein. Sir C.V. Raman transformed our understanding of light with the Nobel-winning Raman effect.